welcome back to Locked On 4x4. Not really any good at this intro stuff, so we'll just focus on the truck and get into it. Yeehaw! I have those green M and S lights flashing, and when I put it into drive, that flashes too. And now she won't start at all. So the idea is that the XYZ switch needs replacing, so we're going to do that today. So before I can put the new one in, obviously I have to take the old one out. So obviously this kit is metric, not imperial, so it's not ideal for the Land Rover, but still do the job. Lost my spinners already. Right, this part here is the XYZ switch, and the plug is up here, so we have to disassemble this part to get the switch out. I don't think this is going to be very easy to film, and I've lost my spinners again. Oh, there they go. This is going to require both hands, because as you're turning the nut, you don't want to bend this rod. Yeah, that would be bad. So. I'm just trying to give it my best shot so that you guys can see. Oh! So this will just slide out of there. So it's got this little clip here. Just pull that off. You should be able to just slide it out of there. I've moved that there out of the way. So I have had this off before, took it apart, cleaned the connections, didn't work, so I headed on over to Canterbury Land Rover in Christchurch, and they set me up with a new piece and gave me some good advice on how to do it. Part of that being that apparently the drain for the aircon is just above this switch and is constantly dripping onto it. The mate in the patrol, come down. The next thing now that I have to do is remove this piece. So I just have to undo this here. Sometime today. It's a Land Rover, they can't make it easy. So when you get the hammer and you just bash. Oh, we got it. I lost my spinners again. This is already the third time. You're relying on them, Dylan. Oh. Wow. Yeah. Can't get in with the ratchet. Gotta use a spanner. It's nasty. He's ratchet. I don't think Land Rovers kill tigers, they probably just kill people with patience. Small hands!
Yeah, in perspective.
So it's got a like really annoying little clip. We'll push it down and pull it out. So before putting the new one in, it's a good idea to clean this plug with contact cleaner. When you're putting this back on, you have to make sure you line it up. There's a flat piece in here and a flat piece here. Right, so just leaving them loose so that we can adjust it. So I'm gonna take this piece again. I have to put it back through. Clip. Every time. As you tighten this, make sure that you hold the rod so as not to bend it. Now I'm going to jump in the truck and Dylan is going to just move it. It has a slight movement and it should just get the accuracy for the truck to register which gear it's in.
Is it registering park on the dash? So just put it into its natural neutral mode. Leave it where it would normally be in neutral. If I move this, do you get the light? There? Okay.
now it's actually starting, and you'll see that it's not flashing anymore, and it's actually registering what gears it's in, which is really good. It's actually something that this truck has never done since I've owned it, so obviously a pre-existing issue that just got worse. But yeah, sweet, now she's going.
Don't touch my truck.